Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are on day 3 of our Take Back Our Home challenge, and as such we are tackling our refrigerators, and I figured why not put out a video showing you guys how I personally tackle my refrigerator in a step-by-step process. So without further ado, let's get into it. So before I even get started, I'm going to make sure I have all the necessary supplies. One of the supplies that I need to clean my refrigerator is an all-purpose cleaner, and as you can see I'm making my own by adding just a few drops of dishwashing liquid along with some water and even a little bit of lemon essential oils, about 20 drops. Lemon oil is a really great natural disinfectant, and it also adds a great smell to the area. Now that we've got all of our necessary supplies, it is time to empty our refrigerator of absolutely everything. This is a really great time to make sure that we throw out any old or expired food that may be in there. And does anyone else have this happen? As I'm cleaning, I go through and I realize that I have multiples of something. As you saw there, I realized that I had not one, not two, but 3 different open packages of salami. Another tip is if you have drawers like these that I have that can pop out a little bit easier for cleaning, that would be a great thing to do. Just a disclaimer, I'm not going to go through in this video particularly and wash them and give them a deep scrub because I had already done that a couple weeks earlier and they're still in pretty good shape. Now it's just the maintenance, but it's definitely something you can do if you feel that yours need it. Once my space is all nice and emptied, I'm going to go ahead and spray my multi-purpose cleaner all over everything and just let it sit for a couple of minutes and do its job. And after it's had a few minutes to do its job, I'm going to go ahead and go through with a microfiber cloth and just scrub every last bit of my refrigerator down. And because I am vertically challenged to get to the very back of the top shelf and the top of the refrigerator itself, I am enlisting the help of my friendly local giant instead of whooping out a step stool. Once I'm satisfied that my refrigerator is perfectly clean, I go over everything again with a dry microfiber cloth. And that's just to make sure that I don't leave any extra moisture in the refrigerator that it definitely doesn't need. Now that everything is nice and clean, it's time to put everything back. Just a small tip on how we actually lay out our refrigerator is we tend to keep items that we're okay with our children grabbing lower down, closer to their level. So for example, fruit in the pull-out drawers, as well as cheese sticks and Go-Gurts in the door to make sure that they're easily accessible to them and they can reach them whenever they like, as well as making sure that adult leftovers are kept at an eye level so we're a lot more likely to use them and prevent food waste. Once the inside of our refrigerator is nice and clean and organized, it's time to move on to the outside. I clean the outside of my refrigerator with another microfiber cloth covered in all-purpose cleaner and just make sure to give it a really good scrub and wipe down. Even though my refrigerator was secondhand to us and has got a few dings and scuffs, making sure to clean the outside and show it some love definitely keeps it looking nice. And just as with the inside, once everything is nice and cleaned, I go over the entire refrigerator again with the dry microfiber cloth. Now, stainless steel refrigerators do have grain, and it's really important that you clean with the grain just to make sure your appliance looks as nice as possible and you don't leave any streaks behind. I've actually in the past even gone as far as dabbing just a tiny bit of olive oil onto my microfiber cloth just to polish it up and give it a little bit of an extra shine. And we are all done. Thanks for watching.